We shoot as men.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video from AI Border. Today, I decided to do something a little different. I wanted to take one of my favorite childhood games and turn it into a living cinematic world. A real walk through a medieval castle, a chance to experience what life inside that kingdom would actually feel like. With realistic details, moving characters, natural atmosphere, and environments that look as believable as possible. So my priority from the beginning was clear. I needed strong visual consistency, maximum detail, high image quality, cinematic camera motion, and character movement that feels natural enough to make every scene look almost real. That's why I decided to test one of the newest and most powerful video generation models now available inside Alibaba Cloud, HappyHorse 1.0. Let's see how far this model can really go. Now I'm inside Alibaba Cloud Model Studio. From here, I go into Vision and open Video Generation. Right away, we have three main modes here: image to video, text to video, and reference to video. Since each one gives a different level of control, I want to test all three and see how reliable HappyHorse actually is. I'll start with image to video. I select HappyHorse 1.0 I2V and upload a single still image. For this test, I'm using a cinematic character standing in an old foggy environment. Then in the prompt box, I quickly define the motion I want. Subtle character movement, soft environmental activity in the background, and a slow cinematic camera push. I keep the quality at 1080p, set the duration to 10 seconds, and hit generate. Alright, the result is ready. What matters here is not just movement. I want to see if the frame actually feels alive. Did the face stay stable? Did the clothing details hold up? Do the fog and lights create depth? And does the camera feel cinematic rather than simply animated? This gives us the first idea of how well HappyHorse can turn one still frame into a living shot. Now let's move to text to video. Here, I'm giving the model no image at all. Everything has to come purely from text. And this is important because I want to see if it can rebuild that old medieval castle atmosphere. Something very close to the world of Stronghold, from nothing but a written scene description. So I switch to HappyHorse 1.0 T2V and define a full medieval courtyard. Giant stone towers, guards, villagers, horses, market carts, banners, smoke, golden sunrise light, and a slow cinematic tracking camera moving into the environment. I keep the ratio at 16:9, quality at 1080p, increase the duration to 15 seconds, and generate. This is where the model's imagination really gets tested. There's no visual guidance here, so I'm looking at the scale of the castle, the natural movement of the people, the consistency of the lighting, the feeling of life inside the scene, and especially whether the camera motion makes the world feel believable. Now we get to the most interesting part, reference to video. Instead of one image or only text, here I upload multiple references, so the model can combine all of them into one new cinematic result. I prepared 4 references: the prince's face, the full body outfit, the exterior castle environment, and the dramatic golden medieval lighting. After uploading all 4 into R2V, I define the final shot I want. The prince walking forward through the castle grounds, cloak moving in the wind, guards in the distance, banners shifting, sunlight cutting through the clouds, and the camera following with a smooth cinematic track. Again, I keep 1080p 16:9, set the duration to 15 seconds, and generate. This is where consistency becomes the real challenge. Can the model merge several completely different references into one unified output? Does the character stay recognizable? Do the clothing colors remain stable? Does the environment match the mood and lighting? And does the final result feel like one newly generated cinematic scene instead of separate images stitched together? So across these 3 tests, I'm checking 3 different things: how well HappyHorse animates a still image, how well it builds an entire world from pure text, and how well it combines multiple references into one coherent shot. Because in AI video generation, raw image quality alone is never enough. What really matters is whether the model can preserve motion, lighting, atmosphere, detail, and emotional consistency all at once. Tap the link in the description to get access to Alibaba Cloud. Thank you so much for joining me in this video as well. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.